Are you one of those people that are always on top of changing your Brita filter? But let me ask you a question. When was the last time that you replaced your fridge filter for your water? And ice cubes and everything else. If you're anything like me, or probably the typical average person out there, not very often. So today I'll demonstrate how to replace that filter. Specifically, I'll be doing this on a Frigidaire fridge. The filter that I use to replace will be down below in the description, so check that out. And the time that it took me to replace it was probably about literally 30 seconds. But there's some additional steps you want to take after you install your new filter, so keep watching. Here's the fridge I'm going to replace the water filter for. Now crack open the fridge side, and on the top right in the back, you'll see this little cylindrical thing. This is your water filter for this model of fridge. Now this is super easy to replace. All you do is you push on this filter and it actually pops out. And as you take it out, you might have some water dripping, and that's okay. But you'll see here that this is the WF3CB filter for Frigidaire. And these plastic pieces are there just to ensure alignment when you're installing the new filter. Now this filter is going to be heavier than your new filter because there's a whole bunch of water in this filter already. And so I grabbed this Pure Source Frigidaire genuine filter, cracked it open, and you're going to see these little plastic covers on the top. Remove those, throw them away, you won't need them. And again, this filter is going to be much lighter because there's no water in it yet. Now you just take the filter, put it back in, align those little plastic cutouts, and you just push all the way until it depresses a little bit, clicks, and stays in. Now go to the outside of your fridge and just grab a cup or a jug or something. You need to cycle water through the filter and coming out of here so you can remove all the sediment, all the filtering things that make your water clean and good. So you're going to see some sputtering, some splashing, whatever it may be as you're dispensing this water from your fridge, but that's just pushing that water through your filter. Now there's no set amount or time that you need to do this for. I've seen someone say 2 to 5 gallons of water. I've seen someone say 2 to 5 minutes. Ultimately, what you want to get past is all of these little floaty things. Make sure your water that you're dispensing is clear and clean. This took me 2 times to fill up this entire glass pitcher before I was able to see a completely clean glass of water, which probably equated out to be 2 to 3 gallons. Do whatever you need to make sure water's clear in the end. I believe Frigidaire recommends to change out your water filter every about 6 months depending on how heavily you're using this water dispenser. But there's also other fridges out there that tell you when you need to replace your filter. This, unfortunately, is not one of them. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you liked what you just watched, hit that subscribe button right here. Or if you don't want to commit all the way and subscribe, then maybe just give it a like and maybe share with your friends or family. But also, if you want to check out other videos that I've completed in the past, click this link right here. Thanks again.